Hi there, and welcome to Adells. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple step-by-step guides. Today we're walking you through how to use a manual pump effectively and comfortably. This tool can be really helpful when you're on the go or just need a quiet portable option for expressing. First things first, make sure all parts of your pump are clean and dry. Hygiene is super important. Wash your hands thoroughly and assemble the pump according to the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Settle into a relaxed position. It helps if you're in a quiet, calm environment. You want to avoid any stress, which can slow things down. Place the silicone flange gently against your skin, ensuring a secure seal. A good fit helps avoid air leaks and makes pumping much more effective. Start with short, quick squeezes of the handle to encourage flow. Once you feel a steady rhythm, switch to slower, deeper compressions. The key is consistency. Don't rush. You can continue until you feel you're done, or until the flow slows significantly. Some prefer to switch sides halfway through for balance. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump, store the express milk safely, and clean all parts immediately. Always follow cleaning guidelines to keep everything safe and ready for next time. Find a quiet, calm place where you can sit down and relax. Try to clear your mind. Some people find that deep breathing or listening to soothing music helps get into the right mood. If you're having trouble getting started, try gently warming the area with a warm towel for a few minutes beforehand. This can help stimulate natural flow and make the process more comfortable and efficient. Make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water can support your body's natural rhythm and make pumping sessions more effective and consistent. Thanks for being here with us at Adells. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more simple wellness tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.